In this lesson we will make the view category page. This is the last page of our correct category pages. Now this page, the main part of this page is this code written in the PHP tags, and this code, the purpose of this code will display all the categories record saved in the category table. So the query in this case, first of all we have established connection, then we have saved the query. The query is a select query, select category ID, name, description from category. Now again this is a this query will return records, so we will send the query to the database server and we will receive the record from the database server in our 2D array variable by the name $result. Now here we will use the while loop because we know that there can be 0 or more records, unlike edit category page in which we use the if command to receive the record, because when we try to retrieve a record against a primary key, either the record is found and a single record will be returned, or the record is not found. So that's why we only use the if variable, if command. But in this case, either there will be no record found or one or more records are found. So that's why we will use the while loop. The command is same while mysqli fetch row from result and return it in the row variable. Now we will, once the record is received in one single record is received in a row variable, we will read the field values by giving the index number of the fields, and the index number, their indexes will be based on their numbering or their order in the select statement. So category ID is the first field, its index will be 0, name is second field, its index will be 1, and description is third field, its index will be 2. So let's declare 3 variables, cat ID, name, description, and receive the value of these fields respectively in these 3 variables. Now we will create edit and delete links for each row. So edit link is ahref is equals to edit category.php. Again, just like we did manually, we will create start a query string, then the category ID variable name is equals to the field value .cat ID. This is the same field as this one, same variable as this one, and this word edit will be displayed as a link. Similarly, the delete link has will refer to delete category.php page, and it will again, just like edit category, it will pass on category ID to this page. Once we have the values of all the fields in these variables and the edit and delete links in these variables, we will display them by using the echo command. Echo, in a paragraph we will display the name, then comma description, then comma edit link, then comma delete link. Now just to keep the thing simple and to let you grab the concept, I have not done any formatting and I have displayed the record in a very simple manner with all the fields separated by commas and edit and delete links again separated by commas. Later on we will see how to format it properly and nicely. Now this while loop will keep on going as long as we have rows in the result variable. Each time it will fetch one row, like first time it will fetch the first row, in the second iteration it will fetch the second row, and so on until all the rows are fetched. When the last row is fetched, the while loop will break and we will come out of the loop. Then we will free the space occupied by this result variable because it has all the record returned from the server. We will close the connection from the database server. So this is the main code to display, to fetch all the records from the category table and display them along with edit and delete link against each record. At the top of the list I have created a link to add category page, so that if the user wants to create a new category, it will simply click on this link and that link will take it to the add category.php page. Now let's check this page, view category.php. So we type here view category.php. So this is the link to which that will take us to the add category page, and these are the, this is the list, this is the name, and this is the description, then edit link and delete link. So if we take the mouse to the edit link, see the text or the link shown in the address bar, it is localhost. See this part of the bar, localhost/soft edit category.php, start of the query string, and then category id is equals to 1. So if we click here, it will take us to the edit category page. Similarly, if I click here, it will delete the delete this record. I am not going to click here because we have checked these two pages. Let's say, let's change it back to this laptop logo, again go to, now I want to make these adjustments. I don't want this to be displayed now. I want that whenever a user deletes a record or edits a record, after editing it should take back, user should be taken back to this page, and all the editing or deletion should be displayed on this page. Like if we make any changes after successful editing of the record, the update category page should not display the message record successfully updated. Rather, it should take me back to this page and I will see the change here, any change made in the record here. Similarly, if I click the delete category page, like let's say this one, it should not take me, it should not display this message here. Instead, it should take me back to this page, and when the record will not be found here, it is obvious that it has been deleted from the database. So let's make these minor changes. Basically, it means that I will have to add redirection to, okay, same as the case with here. Suppose furniture, furniture. Instead of displaying this message, the save category page should save the record and take me back to the view category page, and I should see the changes here. So let's make these minor changes. Now these changes are, let's start with save category page, and after doing all this task, I should tell us PHP, I should give a PHP command that will tell the server to start executing another page instead of displaying the result of this page. This is called redirection. Redirect to view. Command is header, location, we use the header command and in this command we will use the location property and give the name of the page to whom we want to redirect. For this command to execute properly, we have to remove all the HTML from the page. So we will remove let's copy this to delete category page as well and remove all the HTML. And do the same in update category. Whenever you use this header command, make sure that there should not be any text before the start of PHP tag, not even a space here. If you even give a space here, this space will be sent to the browser, and then when this header will be sent, you will receive an error. So make sure that there should be nothing before the start of this PHP tag. So we have made changes in update category, delete category, save category. Now let's check let's add a new category by the name, let's say test. Now it's working properly. Instead of showing record successfully saved, it has taken us redirected back to view category page, and I have seen the newly added category here. Now let's say I want to edit it. Test. It has been edited, and let's say now I want to delete it. It is deleted. So that is the last that was the last page of the correct part, view category. Thank you.